everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is a token of thanks for each one of you for helping me, for supporting me and for helping me to reach this particular number very soon. So this video is related to important good news that I would like to share with each one of you, and that is I was called as a resource person in the Hindustan College of Arts and Science, which is in Chennai. It was an online webinar and it was related to how to qualify the CSIR UGC NET examination, and I was called there as a resource person. So this is something very big for me, because this is for the very first time that I have been experiencing something like this, and it is possible just because of you all supporting me, motivating me from your end. So thank you so much for all the support. Thank you so much for all the motivation that you put in with the help of your kind words in the comment sections. Thank you so much. And also I'll be putting some of the clips of that particular webinar. It was an online webinar, so there might be some of the audio issue. Do not worry about that, but just have a glimpse of that. So this was I wanted to share in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Also, in addition, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider. Keep supporting, keep motivating me from your end so that I can help you out in the best manner possible from my end. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck and keep learning.
Okay, a very good morning to all the respected teachers and students present here. First of all, thank you so much for addressing such a beautiful introduction for me. I am honored to be a part of this webinar. Now, first, thank you so much, Dr. Amir. I'm really sorry if I mispronounce his name. Thank you for letting me share my experiences over here. I hope I am audible and visible to everyone. If yes, please let me know. Okay, I'll be sharing my screen and then we'll start with this talk. Please let me know, is my screen visible to everyone? Okay. You can see the presentation now. Okay. First of all, a very good morning to all the students and respected teachers present here. In smart work is something you need to learn. It is something that I have learned during the course of time or during my complete preparation. If we see technically, completing of all the 13 units on the go is not possible. It is technically not possible because every person or every student have a different mindset. I might understand developmental biology better, but you might learn about the all other units in a much better way. So understand your targets and have your targets according to your interest area. Do not think about what your friend or what anyone else is telling you, that you have to do only 6 units. When you log into YouTube, for sure you'll be able to see 100 of videos telling you do only 6 units, do only 7 units. No, take my suggestions, or you can apply it to your preparation yourself, and you can see if you do 7 units you'll have 28 questions pool. But if you go for the most important topics of most of the units, you will see out of the 75 questions you will be able to have a pool of at least 60 questions. Felicitate you to perform better in your research. Thank you, ma'am. Just one point. Okay, so students, we have a book CSIR UGC NET from R. Gupta. Just write down the name. If you get to have this book on hand, for sure you'll get to have last 20 years or when I had it, there were 18 to 20 papers, so it would help you out to get the complete book set, the complete question paper set in your hand at the first go. I'm not having it right now, otherwise I would have shown you. Just give me a second, I might have it. I got this. So this is the book which you can have for the complete thing. Okay, so this is the book. I'll share the photograph as well with you all. So just have this book with yourself and you'll get to have all the questions, all the question papers. It's in this book we have 18 papers in total. So get the latest book of this. You can get it from Amazon. Okay, and yes.